I see comments from the community all the time about a certain bug or issue that they are having with Android. They don't believe this issue is intended behavior, but they aren't sure where to submit the bug report. So today, I want to highlight the official website Google uses to collect these reports, show you where they assign them to different software engineers, and how you can follow the issue so that you know when it has been fixed. You can go to Google and perform a web search for the phrase Google Issue Tracker, and it'll give you a link to the page, while also giving you some quick links to various categories within the page. And you're likely going to see an Android menu appear here, so let's go ahead and tap on that. But I'll have this linked down in the video description below, as well as the pinned comment here, so that it's easy for everyone to find. Ironically, this page is not meant to be used on a mobile device, but you can power through it if needed, although I do recommend you use a desktop or laptop PC if you have one available to you. Here, you'll find all of these submitted issues, which will range from bug reports to feature requests and a bunch of stuff in between. So, if you are wanting to see what some bug reports look like, then you'll want to browse through these submissions. On this page, you'll see that some of these bug reports have been assigned, which means they have a developer scheduled to look into the issue. Some of these will be marked as fixed, meaning the report was accepted and the engineer was able to squash that issue. There will be a duplicate tag for issues that have already been acknowledged. And some of these will just be flat out rejected as either can't reproduce, obsolete, or infeasible. It really just depends on how critical the issue is, how many people it affects, and how difficult it will be to fix. But if you think that you have found a legit bug within the Android operating system, this is the website you go to in order to submit that bug report and hopefully get that issue fixed for the entire community. Now, I have heard that Google can be rather strict when it comes to bug reports and feature submissions here. But at the end of the day, the company does not have any obligation to look into everything that is submitted to this forum, and they aren't required to fix everything either. But for the most part, this is the place where the community can go to report bugs that they are noticing on their Android smartphone or tablet. Just make sure to be as detailed as possible and include any logs if you can, since those really help to isolate the source of the problem. I appreciate each and every one of you who stuck with me to the end of this video. It means a lot when I see those 100% completion view sessions. And please, do not forget to give this video a like, while also subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already.